Well, hello everyone. This is Look into History, and 4,600 years ago, an advanced Chinese civilization just vanished. Scientists finally cracked the case. The Shijiahe people had it all: palaces, city walls, sophistication, water system, thriving jade and pottery industries. Then, within 1,000 years, they were just simply gone. For decades, experts debated why. Was it invasion, drought, climate change? But Oxford researchers found that the answer is an unlikely place: a cave stalagmite. As rainwater drips and builds these formations over centuries, they create what scientists will call a rainfall yearbook. By analyzing 925 individual measurements from one stalagmite, they reconstructed 1,000 years of weather data. The shocking discovery: it wasn't drought that actually destroyed the Shijiahe civilization. It was too much rain. Around 3,950 years ago, excessive rainfall flooded their lands, making agriculture impossible. These people had no choice but to abandon their cities and flee to higher ground. So here's the thing. The extreme rainfall was only 1,200 millimeters per year. Today's region sees up to about 1,500 millimeters, but modern water management keeps us safe. As climate change intensifies, this ancient lesson reminds us, just how crucial our infrastructure really is. Hope you guys have a good day and a great night.